Jammu and Kashmir quota issue. Now in Jammu and Kashmir, reservation quotas for government jobs, these are state government jobs, and college seats suddenly went up to 70% after the center added new groups under ST and OBC categories in 2024. So this left only 30% seats for general or open merit category. Obviously, general people will not be happy with this. Most people in J&K fall under the general category. So this created anger among many young people. Opposition parties, BJP is the opposition party over there, and even some leaders from Omar Abdullah's own national conference protested against this. Now the question is, can the reservation surpass 50% mark? Yes, in Indra Soni case, this limit was set, but this reservation can surpass in exceptional circumstances. Tamil Nadu is providing 69% reservation. So this is what you need to understand. Why did the quotas increase to 70%? What changed in 2024? Parliament added many new groups to the scheduled tribe category. ST quota in Jammu and Kashmir increased from 10% to 20%. Now, how a tribe or a community is added in the ST category? So, there are multiple steps. The proposal comes from the state government that we want to include this particular community as scheduled tribe. Once it is designated as scheduled tribe, then only these benefits like reservation and all will be given to them. So this proposal comes to Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. From Ministry of Tribal Affairs, if it is approved, it goes to the next level. This next level is Registrar General of India. Registrar General of India is responsible for taking into account the population, releasing census. All these things are there undertaken by the Registrar General of India. This Registrar General of India is under Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay. So once Registrar General of India approves it, it goes to National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, NCST. If it is for SC, then it will go to National Commission for Scheduled Caste. But we are talking about ST. So it goes to NCST. Then NCST sends it to the cabinet and cabinet to the president. And president under Article 342, 343 designates a territory under scheduled tribe. Okay. New groups were also added to OBC. So Government of India basically added, not the Parliament, Government of India added many new groups to the scheduled tribe, and this is how the government adds. Together, total reservation rose from 43% to 70%. Why? Because the quota over here increased for scheduled tribes and OBCs because new communities were added in this. Okay. And this is why youth felt that open merit seats have become too few. And there can be problems in Jammu and Kashmir because of this. Now the protest, many young people came out on the streets. NCMP Aga Ruhullah Mehdi joined the protest even though his own party was in power. It was his own party's decision. Mehdi said that he would protest again after Parliament's winter session if the government did not review the quota structure. The pressure on Omar Abdullah government kept increasing. Government dilemma. The NC government promised earlier that reservations would reflect population numbers, but now they were stuck. Why? Because ST quotas cannot be reduced. They were changed by the Parliament. Cutting ST seats would break the law. Changing quotas for newly included groups could also create backlash. So the government needed another way to increase open merit seats without touching ST and SC quotas. So let's see how open merit seats means for the general category will be increased without touching this increased ST quota. Now, what the cabinet subcommittee decided? The cabinet subcommittee studied the situation and gave a solution. Cabinet has accepted this plan. What the plan does? SC and ST quotas stay the same, they are not touched. More seats or jobs will be taken from RBA, residents of backward areas, and EWS, economically weaker sections. From these categories, more seats will be taken for the general category. Now, these seats will be added to open merit general category to bring it back closer to 50%. So earlier there was reservation for SC, ST, OBC, EWS, residents of backward areas, and general. So what they are saying is they will take these two categories, EWS and RBA, under general, and thus will bring it closer to 50%. Why RBA was chosen? A senior official explained. Most of the population that earlier fell under RBA and J&K is now in Ladakh after the 2019 reorganization. And Ladakh is a separate UT. They are a separate UT. So there is this leverage or scope with them that they can allocate such kind of seats to the general category. So the RBA share inside J&K is much smaller now. That means shifting some seats from RBA to open category makes sense. But I don't know how EWS bringing it with, general category will make sense. Won't the people in EWS protest? Parliament created two new subgroups, ST1 and ST2. Many communities were added. This change is protected by law. State or UT government cannot reduce these percentages. So the only flexible categories were RBA and EWS. Expected outcome? Open merit seats are expected to rise again, possibly close to 50%. Youth anger may reduce. Government avoids a direct clash with newly included ST and OBC communities because INCO government has included. But political debates may continue because all groups want their share protected. Even the EWS want their share protected.